Happy Veganuary, day 15. Today we're making one of my favorite dinners, vegan fish and chips. It's inspired from the recipe from Veganuary. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Drain 350 grams extra firm tofu and pat dry. Peel 800 grams of potatoes and cut into chips. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to boil and cook the potatoes for 5 minutes. Drain well, then toss with 45 milliliters of olive oil. Spread out onto the silicone mat and bake for 30 minutes. Sprinkle with some coarse sea salt and bake for 30 minutes, turning halfway through. To create flour for dusting, whisk together 15 milliliters of flour, 5 milliliters of salt, 1 milliliter of pepper, 1 milliliter of paprika, 1 milliliter of Italian seasoning, 1 milliliter of onion powder, and 1 milliliter of celery salt. Cut the tofu into 5 pieces and dust in seasoned flour. In a food processor, process 100 grams of self-rising flour and 1 crumbled sheet of dried seaweed. Alright, we're just gonna turn this on and we're gonna blitz this dry first. Add 100 milliliters vegan beer. My dad likes Beck's and Corona. If you're a kid, don't worry. The alcohol will cook off. Give the rest to your parent. Alright, now we're gonna pour our beer into the batter. And we're gonna blend. Carefully heat about 8 centimeters of oil in a pan to 350 Fahrenheit. A parent could help you with this step. Take a piece of tofu and dip it into the batter to coat evenly. Carefully lower into the hot oil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crispy on each side. Serve the tofu and chips with some lemon wedges and some malt vinegar, a little bit of salt. All right, let's try it. Squeeze this on mine right there. The crunch is awesome. All right, bon appetit. The sourness of the lemon and the crunchiness on the crust is absolutely amazing. I love this. Cheers.
Cheers.